In this video we are going to learn how you can add and remove the dates inside your sheet. So to it, first of all, let us learn the basic things. So to insert a date, the first way is that you can easily insert a date here by writing the actual date of today. For example, if I write here that 9/5/2020. So okay, this is the journal form. You can write easily from your keyboard, or there is another way. You can write a date inside this, and that is you can use the control and the column button to insert a date automatically. Okay, let me tell you again that you can use the control plus column. The only you have to press the control plus column button which is present on your keyboard. By pressing control plus column, you can see a date is automatically printed. It is a today's date, so it is a nice thing for a date. Now to insert a time, the general way you can write the time by your keyboard, pressing the keys on your keyboard, or there's another way, like you can use another shortcut for entering the time, and that is you have to press the shift plus control and then you have to press column button. Now as you can see, this is the actual time of today. Okay, so these are the two ways from which you can easily insert date and time inside your sheet. Now you can also change the type of formats. So let me show you one by one. First of all, to date, if you select a particular date, then click on home tab, and in the home tab a group name number, in which you have to just press the downward arrow, and now here as you can see that short date, long date or time, three options are given. So let us learn for date, then short date and long date. Two options are given to you. By pressing on the short date and long date, you will change the format of the dates. For example, this is a short date format. If I choose a long date format here, then you can see that as the date is being changed in another format, and this format is known as the long date format. Okay, so let us change the first one also. As you can see, you have to just press on the long date, and it will automatically changes the date. As you can see, that Saturday, September 5, 2020, which is very interesting for you to be learned for. Okay, then next thing, for this is also applicable for the time format. You can easily choose the time format and then click on the time, and as you can see the time, there are not more options given to you for the time. So this is the only general way. There is only general way to write a time inside your sheet. And the next thing, that if you want to change the if you want to change the, like if you want to replace the, first of all, date, then month, then year, this is the basic format. But if you want to change the format, like first of all you want to enter the 2020, then 9, then 11, so what you can do to change this journal format? You have to just click on the launch button, which is given at the number group. By clicking on the launch button, you can see a new pop-up window will appear, and in the new pop-up window you have to just select the options which are being provided you from the Microsoft Excel. You can choose any of the format to be inserted. There are many options you can choose from, so let us choose 14 March. This is another format. As you can see, the date is being changed into 11 September. Okay, or you can also choose many other options or many other formats to be inserted inside your sheet. Okay, so the next thing that comes with is the time format. You can also do this with the time format also. So you have to just click on the number tab, and as you can see there same pop-up window will appear, and this time you have to click on the time, and then you can easily choose any of the format of time. So let me choose this one format and then easily press OK. Let me do it again. First of all, select downwards and then okay. So what is the major problem occurring? This is a basic problem. You can easily solve it by clicking on the date cell, and then you have to change the custom into the time. Okay, as you can see, this is changed. You can choose many other formats also. Let me choose this one. Now as you can see, the formats are now applicable. So as I told you earlier, there are many options for your particular cell. For example, I have entered here date, so I have to put this into date format so that I can easily modify and change the formats of this. So this was all about the insertion of a date and time. Hope you like it.